you doing today? I'm here again with a different video, and today I have an HP Pavilion dv4, and in this version I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your RAM or replace your faulty RAM. It comes with 3 gigs RAM, so let's go ahead and open it up. So first thing first, you want to flip it over, remove the battery first thing first. In order to remove the battery is really simple. Just pull the handle towards the CD-ROM right there, and while you're holding it, just lift up the battery this way. Next, you want to remove the middle cover right here with one screw right there. You want to loosen up the screw. The screw has a C-lock on the back, so it's not going to come out. It's just you have to loosen it up. So we're going to loosen up this metal screw right cover here. Alright, now that we loosen it up, you just gotta lift up and just move it around, wiggle it a little bit, and it will come out. There's your bottom cover, and there's a dust filter right there. You can go ahead and clean your dust filter if you want. And then down here we have 2 RAMs. And now we're gonna remove these 2 DRAM. In order to remove them, you gotta pull these 2 handles right here. This one over here and this one right here. You gotta pull them apart just like this. And you gotta do both at the same time. And the RAM is just gonna pull up like that. It just pushes up automatically. Now, once the RAM is in this position, you don't want to lift up anymore. If you lift up any more higher, you're going to break the jack right there where the RAM goes. So the proper way is to pull the RAM in the same angle that it came out, in 45 or 35 degree angle. So you're going to just slide it out this way. So there's one. And now the second one, let me put this one underneath so you guys can see. The second RAM is the same thing. You're going to pull the second handle, and with your fingertips, pull the other one towards the battery side. And you have to have a little bit, it will come out. Now you say, I can't reach here to pull out because there's no space. You can just go ahead and with your fingernails, just swipe them with hold it from the bottom of the RAM chips, and just pull them up. And go ahead, lift it up, and it will come out. There you go. You can safely handle the RAMs. There is nothing into it because I don't touch them. You're gonna shock them or anything like that. If you have grounded yourself, you don't have to worry about it. As long as before you start working, you touch a metal table or anything like a metal, then you're fine with handling all this. And now you have these RAMs. In order to replace them, I'm not going to replace them, I'm going to just put the same RAMs in. You're going to grab your RAM, make sure the cut in the RAM are the same position. And we have different type of RAMs with different cut positions. Now that you have your RAM, if you want to know which way it's supposed to go in, this way or this way, it's really easy to know. Because down here, you can see this plastic is sticking right in between this one. On every DIMM, there's a plastic right there. This gap right there has to match the gap right here. So that means if you want to put your RAM inside the other way around, there's no way you can get inside. You're gonna get inside only half, the other half it won't go in. So you have to flip it over, make sure the crack in the RAM right there matches the crack right on the DIMM. And then you're going to put it in a 45 degree angle, push it inward. Just like that. Once you have it in, and then you can just push it down with one finger. And you're going to hear the click sound, and that's just trying to say that it is in place. You're going to grab the second RAM, and you're going to place it in a 45 degree angle right inside with a little bit of force. right? And now you're just gonna push it there. This is the proper way of changing your RAM. Next, you wanna grab the cover. You wanna stick the cover in. Make sure you always put the cover this end side. So you wanna put this side first, and then push the bottom side every corner, and now you're gonna screw the that's how you change your RAM or upgrade your RAM for your HP Pavilion dv4. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it and if you have any question, subscribe and ask in the comments. And thanks for watching.